Hey there, my friend. This is your girl, Seth Perez, and welcome to this video. So in today's video, I just want to take a little bit of time and actually share with you why I decided to make Legendary Marketer a part of my online business portfolio and just why it's going to play such an important role in my business moving forward in 2018 and beyond. In case you don't know anything about me, I'll take like 30 seconds to tell you so you have a little bit of backstory on who I am and if you even want to listen to me. I've actually been making money online and building my online business for over 10 years. I got started way back in 2007. I knew nothing about making money online. I was working full-time as a nurse. And to be honest with you, some simple videos just like this on YouTube helped me get my start. They really inspired me because I simply believe that if other people could do it, that I could do it too. So I decided to get started. I learned some very simple skill sets. I was very consistent inside of my business, and I looked up and 30 days later, I had earned 27 sales. Later went on to replace my full-time nursing income and went on to build a business that has paid me over 6 figures a year. Now, what's interesting about that and what leads me to this video is I completely believe that the results I've gotten inside of my business over the past 4 to 5 years in terms of hitting 6 figures and increasing that every single year is my commitment to mastery when it comes to my online business. So a commitment to learning this industry when I first got me started, but then a commitment to mastery is what allowed me to go from making a couple $1,000s a month consistently to hitting, over $10,000 a month and really being able to make an impact in my income for me and for my family. So the reason Legendary Marketer is going to play such a big role in my online business portfolio is that I believe that if someone wants to come into this industry and really make, digital marketing or online business, internet marketing their way of life, meaning they really want to walk away from their job. They're not looking just to make a quick buck, but they really want to learn the ins and outs of what it takes to build a sustainable online business for themselves, that what we offer inside of Legendary Marketer will help them get there. All the way from the mindset of building your business to the skill set of building your business. Because the fact of the matter is, when I got started in this industry, I was working full-time as a nurse. Therefore, the mindset of an employee is so much different than the mindset of an entrepreneur, right? So I had to work on my mindset. I had to make a commitment to getting better, to thinking differently about success, about money, and about what I had to do in my business to get the results that I wanted, right? So if you don't work on your mindset, obstacles will take you out of the game, right? You will not have what it takes to make it in this industry long term. And trust me on this, in 10 years, I definitely have had obstacles that could have taken me out of the game, that have definitely taken other people out of the game. But because I decided to make this my new way of life, because I decided there was no other option, I developed the mindset that helped me get through those obstacles, that helped me get through the hard times, right? And help me build a business that pays me over 6 figures, right? And then on the skill set side of things, obviously, there were things I didn't know about making money online and building an online business when I first got started, right? There were things I didn't know 5 years ago that helped me go from a couple $1,000 a month to $10,000 a month and more, right? I had to learn those things. But because I decided to make this my new way of life, I've committed to mastery. I've committed to mastering my mindset, mastering my skill set, and never, ever thinking that I know it all. Always being open to opportunities that can help me learn more and develop myself more. You look at any great leader that's making a large amount of money out there, right? They're making a big impact. They're helping a lot of people. It's because they've committed to mastery. They're never okay with the level that they are at. Right? There's always something more to learn, right? So inside the Legendary Marketer, you're going to learn how to make this your new way of life if you really want to learn how to become a digital marketer. If you want to learn how to use this awesome playground called the internet to make a lot of money from, to help you in transforming your finances, to help you in generating leads, to help you in building your brand, to helping you inspire more people, empower more people, to help you make an impact, right? To help you accomplish the things that you want to accomplish for yourself, right? So on any given day, there literally are over 200,000 people that are out there searching for alternative income solutions. And you better believe that the majority of these people are turning to the internet. They're looking for online business education to teach them what it takes to make money online. So many people get a bad start in this industry because they just throw themselves out there, right? They just join opportunity. They just join businesses and they lack the education. They lack the guidance on exactly what it's going to take to succeed. So when they don't succeed fast enough, right, they decide to give up because they think this doesn't work. What they don't realize is they just haven't gone through the appropriate steps. They haven't gained the knowledge. They haven't gained the skill set. They didn't give themselves access to what it is they need to help them get the right start and develop themselves into an online business professional. And that's what we give people access to in the Legendary Marketer system, right? So within the system, you're going to go through a step-by-step process to learning what it takes to massively succeed online, to get your business started right, from the mindset to the skill set, right? One of the biggest things I've heard from a couple of my students that have gone through the system is they can't believe how it really frames them and sets them up for really succeeding online. They don't feel like they're just idly being thrown into an opportunity where they can make a lot of money, but they don't know what to do. They're learning what to do step by step. And that is so doggone important, right? So that's the reason why the Legendary Marketer system is going to be such a huge role in my business in 2018 and beyond, is because I believe whether you are already in an opportunity, okay, I have businesses that I'm making a lot of money from on a monthly basis, right? And I've created training, I've created step-by-step blueprints to help my partners in those businesses learn what it takes to achieve success, right? But I'm just a firm believer that if you're really about mastery, you've got to get around people that might know more than you do, that have reached levels higher than you've reached for yourself. And that's exactly why I got involved in it myself. It's because I needed to get around people that had made more money and achieved more and even know more than I do, right? And now I'm taking on the responsibility to let people know, hey, you need this system as well. If you want to reach a point of mastery inside of your business, when it comes to traffic, when it comes to marketing, when it comes to, influence, when it comes to emailing, when it comes to videos or Facebook, or just mastering what it takes to be, someone of impact, someone of value on the internet, right? You want to be a big leader. You might want to be a guru, right? This system can help you in learning how to do that. First for yourself, right? And then it puts you in position to be able to help other people do it as well. So if you are open to the opportunity to earn as you learn, you would love to have a coach, you would love to have step-by-step guidance, you would love the ability to market and license other people's products, their services, their trainings, their masterminds. If you would love the opportunity to actually get paid off of things that us as online business professionals purchase anyways, right? The Legendary Marketing System would be right up your alley, right? So that's why I decided to, make this such an important part of my online business portfolio, is because I not only have a commitment to mastery for myself, but I have a commitment to make sure that people understand it's important for their business as well. I love to help people get started in this industry, but I hate to see people fail. I hate to see people go through obstacles and think that, because 30 days have passed and they haven't had success, or they haven't made a sale, that they're not going to be successful, right? So I feel so great knowing that I can plug people into steps that can help them understand what it takes to succeed. And the great thing is that you can use what's in Legendary Marketer to help you make money in whatever you might be in right now, right? So even, for example, there was an opportunity that I earned 6 figures in all by itself in 2017, right? If I did not want to make money inside of Legendary Marketer, I could just use the information and the training that I've had access to inside of the system to help me take that business to the next level if I wanted to, right? And obviously I'm using stuff in that system to help me make that particular income stream even stronger as well, right? But for me, I'm like, why would I not want to market and promote an online business education training system and hub where other people can tap into and get access to everything they need to succeed, right? And allow coaches and business developers to help me in closing sales, to help me in making more money, and to help me better educate the people that I introduce the system to. Right? So there are just so many awesome points to this system, in terms of why I decided to make it a part of my portfolio and why it's going to play such a big role, to my online business success in the year 2018 and beyond. But what I want to encourage you to do is just go through the system yourself. If you're looking for such a system that will take you by the hand and guide you step by step, I just truly believe that the Legendary Marketer could really be a fantastic start for you. Or it could be a great component to help you in scaling up your business right now. Or if you've been at this thing and you feel like you just can't get any traction, you feel like you're missing something, I believe this system can help you in uncovering what it is you might have been missing all this time and help you to really kickstart your success. So whether you're just getting started, whether you're very, very advanced and you're looking to scale, or you're anywhere in between, the Legendary Marketer system could absolutely be a fantastic answer, to your online business success. So again, a commitment to mastery is going to be what's going to help you go from where you are right now to ultimately where you want to go. Okay, commit to learning, but then take it one step further and then commit to mastery. And that's when you'll really begin to reach those high levels of success inside of your business. First, you reach the high levels of success, and then the high level, of income begins to follow. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that mini-me, subscribe yourself to my channel, make sure you click on that bell. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video designed to inspire you, to empower you, and to educate you on how you can use this amazing playground called the internet to transform your finances and in turn transform your life while helping you to build a truly sustainable online business that can get you out of your job, right? But then create a lifestyle income for yourself where you never, ever, ever, ever have to worry or entertain the idea of going back. And that's been my story for 7 years now, going on 8 years now. I've been boss free, and I haven't even had to entertain the idea of going back because I've learned how to build a sustainable online business, right? Commit yourself to mastery, and you yourself can learn how to do the exact same thing. So I'll leave all my information right down below. Check out the system. Decide to go ahead and, jump inside of our Legendary Marketers Club, begin to go through the steps, connect with your coach, and just see how this system can truly go to work for you and help you go from where you are right now to where you want to be. Your girl, Seth Perez. I look so forward to seeing you in my next videos, and can't wait to connect with you, learn more about your story, and hopefully help you in celebrating your success in the year 2018. Bye-bye.